Hey, welcome back, guys. This is version 2 of the 9-inch alumidrag chassis that I made. You saw in the first video with the bug body on it. Put the body on it. That's it there. Turned out real nice. Tell you about the car. It's a all aluminum. The only thing that's not aluminum are the front arms, tie rod ends, axle carriers, and the rear wheels that are actually TMRCs with my aluminum NHRA inserts to match the front wheels, the welds. Front has the typical aluminum, not typical, but pan style front end. I made the aluminum arms like this. It's got the support on top. Nice and adjustable. It's got this tapped end so you could raise and lower your pins here. If you want to raise or lower your front end, add longer springs, you can do it there. It just makes it removing it within seconds. It's so simple to do. But you know, the support keeps the pins nice and straight. So I'm going to run this servo on the front like this. That's why you see those 4 holes there. And then the tie rod's going to come off the bottom of the arm and go right to the servo. So it'll have that bar. But I'm releasing it as a 9-inch drag bracket car, 9-inch wheelbase drag bracket car. Shorty pack battery tray. Standard motors, obviously. From the last video chassis I made, I extended this back a little bit more, the 1/2 inch from the last one. So it has about a 1/2 inch added here. And then I added cutouts for an all aluminum car. It's not that heavy at all. 6061 aluminum, so it's nice, strong, stiff, rigid. See all the cutouts in the bottom. Help it breathe, let the battery cool off. I mean, it's aluminum too, so that helps. All the cutouts. Drag race concept Wheelie spacer in the back. Vivid bearings. We just pan by. Springs work really well in the front. And they're adjustable, so you can do whatever. But yeah, I'm going to release these with 3 versions: aluminum, carbon fiber, and G10. And what's going to change is the main chassis and the wheelie bar. Those 2 will change between the 3. So you'll either have carbon fiber, G10 chassis, or wheelie bar, or the aluminum. But I'm calling this one the alumidrag 9-inch. So I'm releasing it just like this too, aluminum, without wheels. But might have an option with RJ Speed wheels in the front and TMRC wheels in the back. If I do have that option, it'll just be added the actual cost of the wheels, and I'll throw in my inserts for free. But I won't charge any extra for the wheels, just the actual cost of the wheels. That'll be an option for it. But I am going to release the chassis as a bracket car like this, and then also a pro stock and a pro mod as well. It'll just be elongated setup. This is just a classic style pan drag car with your spur on the side. They've been out for years. I like the classic cars. I like the classic drag cars, and I like pan cars too. So, but it's a posi rear end. So I mean, it's not. I say posi, but it's a locked rear end, so it's not a slip diff or anything. Cut these axles to size. I mean, I made everything on the car except the hubs, the arms, and the wheels, obviously. So, using Velcro for the strap for the battery just to keep it simple and cut down on the material. Battery tray is about 0.90 thickness. 0.90 thickness on the front support and about 0.90 in the back, or 0.1, something like that. So there's the front. Turned it really nice. Springs work really well. Back, of course, is just standard non-suspension. Put the body on it. Turned out really nice. That's a split window Volkswagen Bug body. Just pan by so you can see it. 7-inch wheelie bar. I know it's hard to see everything in the videos, but I will be releasing them. And if you're interested in buying one, you can contact me through here, through YouTube. Other than that, that's the car itself. Let me show you the bottom. It's not that heavy at all either. I mean, it's all aluminum, but there's a lot of cutouts to keep it light. I mean, this is 0.12 roughly thickness on the chassis. It's not even really an eighth. It's just under, but it's rigid enough and light enough. So, but that's it. That's the car itself. I made my inserts, the NHRA ones, powder coated black with the milled out to match the weld, Traxxas weld style, which I really like. I like those a lot. So, but I hope you guys like it. You know, if anybody's interested in buying one, let me know. Just contact me. It's going to look just like this, minus the wheels. And if you want these wheels, you just pay the actual cost of the wheels. I don't upcharge on the wheels at all. So you could shelf it, you can race it, but it definitely is a work of art. I mean, the aluminum is beautiful. I don't know how well the video picks it up, but it's a beautiful looking chassis. And that's it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, send me a message if you have any questions. If you're interested in buying one, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.